Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install the DuckDuckGo, a web browser, for example, on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. Now in the first step, launch a web browser like Google Chrome, for example. Head over to Google search and type in DuckDuckGo here in the Google search. Select the first entry you see here to get redirected to DuckDuckGo's website, or alternatively guys, if you'd like to download and install DuckDuckGo on your mobile device, you can do that as well by heading over to the Google Play Store and by downloading DuckDuckGo on your mobile device, be it Android or iPhone. So once you're on your homepage or on the homepage of DuckDuckGo, simply click on Download Browser here to download DuckDuckGo on your computer as an application. Wait for the download of the installation launcher to be finished, and once that's done, head over to your output folder on your computer, launch the installation, and next simply follow these instructions. Now as you can see, this installation instruction is in Polish for me, but it's actually super simple. You will be given the opportunity to click on install here, so do that. Wait for the launcher to finish downloading and installing DuckDuckGo on your computer. That may or may not take a moment. As you can see, the installation process shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds, so let me skip forward a bit and I'll see you guys just in a moment. There you go. As you can see, DuckDuckGo has been installed successfully on my computer. Click on Get Started here on the welcome page. Read through these welcome pages where DuckDuckGo will present to you some basic features DuckDuckGo comes with as a web browser. So let me click through this really quickly. Decide whether you would like to import the settings and your bookmarks from other web browsers. Let me skip that, and once that's done, click on next here to decide whether you would like to make DuckDuckGo your default browser or not. So let me skip that as well. And last but not least, click on Start Browsing here to launch the DuckDuckGo web browser for the first time and to surf the internet or use it as a search engine and web browser. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.